doing it all because I be adopting myself too. And but still I tried myself to seek for some of the professional, like being into first step of getting to find the university, then to have myself being just like Central School University, they're advising and evaluation and assessment and clinical medicals of body checkup. But those are the something that I have been trying to do in Hong Kong. And I still